What's the meaning of back? Back. Back.
Back. Back. The word back is a versatile term that can have multiple meanings depending on its usage. In general, it refers to the rear or hindmost part of something. For example, the back of a chair or the back of a car. It can also refer to the opposite direction or the previous state of something, such as going back or backtracking. Additionally, it can be used to express support or agreement, as in, I've got your back. Back can also be used as a verb, meaning to support or endorse, and as an adjective, meaning located at the rear or hindmost part of something. Overall, back is a commonly used term with a wide range of meanings.